So it is coming apparent to me that I do not know how to upload a video three times in a row. So basically, yes. So now this is gonna be another one of Check's videos. So enjoy.
Hold on, mic check. So, you want to know how to make a little cool racetrack, right? You want to watch the car going around the racetrack without you pressing any buttons because you're lazy, just like me. So first of all, you're going to want to go into your backdrops, right? You're going to make a little simple grassy field, okay? And then pull out your lines. You're going to make a line wherever you want to start or wherever you want to end. So that's actually a bad spot to put it. Why did it do that? Anyways. Alright, so once you're done with your little racetrack, little design here, all you're gonna do is make another sprite. We're gonna call this line. Then we're gonna copy this. I'm gonna paste it in here. Change this to 0, change this to 0, and make sure it's thick enough where you can actually see it very visibly, and it won't be just too small or too big to read. So you're going to put that in here. You're going to change the scale all the way down to, well, the bearable amount. So I would say, I don't know, 6. Okay, I'm going to change this to white so we can see it better. Okay, we're going to name this sprite, our first sprite, to car. And we're just going to delete Scratch Cat because we don't need him. I'm going to name this car. Okay, and then I am going to make a sick car. Sassy. Once you're done with your race car, you're actually going to make 2 more duplicates, and I'll explain why later. Well, actually, I'll explain right now. We are going to make a detector. What this detector will do is it'll just detect if it's touching the line, then it'll turn left. So we're just gonna we're gonna determine the middle of our sprite, and then we're just gonna go a little bit up. I'd say right about here-ish. We're gonna make like a little square. Alright, and then we are going to copy this and then paste it into here. I'm gonna make this one blue so you can better visualize it. And then we're gonna put it down, I'd say like right here-ish. And we are just going to delete these. And so basically what that will do is, So basically what these lines will do is it will tell you when to turn left and when to turn right. So this right here, this little thing right there, this will tell you when to turn right. Because if you do this one, then it's just going to turn too early, and it's just going to go off the tracks, and it's just going to suck. So if this thing goes right there, and then this thing touches that thing, then it's going to go left. No, right. Okay. So we're going to go back here, and then we are going to actually do some stuff with this. Okay, first off, we have to put our car in a good position where we want it. We want it to start, okay, first off, we're going to put in when clicked, when green flag clicked. We're going to put a show block, and then a go to block, so that our car always spawns where we want it to be. Okay, and then next we're going to put a point and direction block, 0. So that'll kind of screw everything up because freaking Scratch always screws things up. So I'll just turn this right like that. And then we're gonna put a switch costume to costume or car 3. Okay, after that we're gonna make 2 more variables. We're going to make move speed for all sprites and turn speed for all sprites. We're gonna set these to whatever we want. Say we have 5, we're gonna put this to 10. And if we want 10, we're gonna put it to 20. Because sometimes if you put this too high and this will be too low, then it's just gonna screw everything over. So you need to put the move speed and turn speed exactly where they need to be so that the car always stays on the track. I am a nerd. That's what my friends call me. I got bullied at school. Just kidding. We're gonna call this movement. This is just how we're gonna move. This is basically the entire thing in this one block, and it's actually super simple. All I need to do is switch to costume car, because we're gonna make this one the left turning one. We're gonna switch that to costume that, but first we have to move. We actually have to like move something for once in our lives. We actually have to get up out of our chairs. We have to get in this freaking race car and drive like real people. So we're just gonna move speed steps. We're just gonna control everything with this little variable right there. Okay, we're gonna put an if statement. If touching line. So if the red line touches this, then it is going to turn speed. Okay, and same can be said for car 2. Oops. Let's see. If we put an if, then we're gonna put a touching line, and then turn right, turn speed, and then at the end of this, we're gonna put switch costume to car 3. Basically, what this will do is it will just do everything instantly, and it won't display any of these. It will only display the last thing. So it will just keep on looking like this after everything's done, because, you know, this does it instantly, that does it instantly, that doesn't instantly, and then that'll just be at the end. Okay, so forever, we're going to put a movement block in there, and see what we did so far. Let's turn off these variables. Alright, we got our race car moving. That is pretty slick.
And then basically he goes on like 2 minutes and he just plays around with the movement speed and the turning. So yeah, basically I know you're probably confused about why I didn't do the 12 days of Christmas thing. So basically one answer, I was asleep. Subscribe to be a part of the jail jog, or I'll see you next time. Bye.